Now let us try to find the LCM of 24, 30, and 36. Solution. Just as we did in other cases, we write these numbers in columns. That is 24, 30, and then 36. Now we divide by prime numbers. So 2 in 24, that is 12, in 30, 15, and in 36 is 18. 2 is still a factor, so we continue with 2. 2 in 6, in 12 I mean, 6. 2 cannot go in 15, so we write down our 15. 2 in 18 is 9. 2 is still a factor. Now 2 in 6, 3, and then we put down 15 and 9. Now 2 is no longer a factor, so we move to the next one, which is 3. 3 in 3, 1. In 15, 5. In 9, 3. 3 is still a factor. 1, 5, and then 1. Then finally we have 5, which will bring everything to ones. So therefore our LCM of 24, 30, and 36 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. You can write this in index form to keep it simple. 2 times 2 times 2 is 2 raised to power 3 into 3 times 3, which is 3 raised to power 2, and then multiplied by 5. Now, what is 2 times 2 times 2? That is 8. 3 times 3, 9, and then multiplied by 5. Now, what is 8 multiplied by 9? That is 72. And then when you multiply that by 5, your answer is 360. That is the LCM of 24, 30, and 36 would give us 360. Thank you.